Hi traders, in this video I would like to talk about how to identify a large participant and trade with him and not against him. In the cryptocurrency market, three participants mainly earn money: exchanges, large participants, and those who know how to see large participants. If you trade by patterns, for example, only by patterns and formations without taking into account other factors like clusters, market activity, the presence of a participant, in the long run you will probably not be profitable. Who is a big participant? Who is a large player? This is a participant loading positions with large and super large capital. Its main task is to load the position at favorable prices within the price range. Usually, large player loading within a flat. Not every range is a place where a big player lost his position, but if you manage to find it, then this is an excellent argument in favor of opening a position along with big capital. Let's put it into practice. The HNT coin is accumulating in consolidation. There was a fourth level break where hypothetically the big player could load his positions by executing the stop losses of the participants, those who longed from the lower border of the flat. Obviously, in these situations, huge player usually load for longs. So I decided to open long position when the price has come back to the flat from the lower border. Then I find what I suspected. The density of 2325K systematically follows the spread, loading the limit into longs. That is, this is an algorithm or robot that automatically put the limit order of one volume into the spread, pushing price higher and higher. This is the so-called tip of the iceberg. The bot doesn't place the entire volume so as not to frighten off the price, because the market can't execute all of its volume right now at current price. But the price will start to bounce off this volume, leaving the flat. This is not profitable for the big player until he loads the entire position. Further, we see how this limit order follows the spread for a long time, and there is no doubt that this is the same big player who is gradually loading his position. As a result, we determined the big player and got into a long position. As a result, there was a good impulse. That was the breakout, and this is the whole movement. Here is how much we managed to earn from this situation. And the instrument has come back into consolidation. After the next correction, I decided to open long again from the lower side of this range, as far as these limit orders are still valid. The huge player keeps loading the positions. From this situation, I managed to earn almost 1%. Then this bot disappeared and the price rolled in. We hope this video will help you to improve your trading skills. Write in the comments, did you manage to trade with a huge player? And don't forget to subscribe for our free trading ideas channel. The video was prepared for the scalp trading terminal team. Thank you.